Your pain cannot subtract from who God is and his glory. In fact, a lot of people would want to say, like, why would a good God allow evil to happen? And that equation is not logical. I want to give you another quote that C.S. Lewis says in The Problem of Pain. He says, a man can no more diminish God's glory by refusing to worship him than a lunatic can put out the sun by scribbling the words darkness on the walls of his cell. God's glory will stand, regardless of whether we worship him. But I want us to choose to worship him, even in our pain.